The Department of Census and Statistics states that the number of people earning a monthly salary of about 14,500 in Sri Lanka now makes up 1/4 of the total population. Poverty is becoming the root cause of a growing social crisis. Currently, rising child malnutrition and a lack of proper nutritional practices pose a serious challenge for those living below the poverty line in accessing essential nutrients such as protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Sri Lanka lies on a shallow continental shelf in the Indian Ocean and is rich in fish resources. Despite this, fish consumption in the country has become increasingly unaffordable for low-income families, leading to widespread malnutrition. This crisis stems from the depletion of fish stocks in the shallow seas around Sri Lanka. Contributing factors include the use of dynamite for fishing, banned netting techniques, fishing during breeding seasons, and the unregulated capture of juvenile fish. It is deeply concerning that the Ministry of Fisheries and other government institutions have largely failed to address these issues. To combat malnutrition effectively, it is crucial to provide access to foods rich in protein and minerals, fish being one of the most accessible sources. The government must take immediate short-term action to make fish affordable and accessible to the public. The Indian Ocean Strategic Research Center emphasizes that taking urgent, sustainable steps to restore marine resources can play a critical role in eliminating malnutrition in Sri Lanka. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below